Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and joining me for another wild camp. I'm staying local tonight on Dartmoor. I didn't have much time to get away anywhere fancy, so just thought I'd nip up here quickly for a little camp. Conditions aren't looking their greatest. I think we're in for some wind and quite a bit of rain throughout the night. But I've got lots of goodies with me. I'm going to cook up some food. It should be quite cozy. I'm heading to one of my favourite pitch up spots on Dartmoor. I think it's called Black Tor. Oh, I can't remember off the top of my head. You can probably see it if I spin you around. Somewhere up there. I'm trying out a new tent tonight. I finally got the Nortent Vern 1. I spent one night in it already just to get a feel for it, but this will be its first proper test in some pretty nasty weather, so that should be fun. This is also my first time doing a bit of commentary through my video, so let me know what you think, if you prefer the kind of silent hiking types or a bit of this commentary. I'm setting off quite late really. I think it's about 5:30. And it's just starting to rain as well, so got a bit of walking to do, so I'll catch up with you when I get to camp. Okay, I think this is camp. That's actually a much harder hike than I remember. I'm sweating like a pig. Man, it's pretty chilly up here. The wind's pretty strong, so I need to get my coat on. I can see quite a few showers off into the distance as well, so I'm gonna get my coat on, get set up, and get in the tent. Here comes that rain. I need to get inside quick. Still got to do all my guy lines, but at least I'm out of the rain for now. I'll go out in a second. The tent's pretty sturdy, so you know, it should be alright. Oh man, it's good to be out. It's time to get nice and cozy. There she is, all guyed out. Pretty happy with the fish, to be honest. A bit blustery from this little gap in the rocks, but I think it will do. I've wrapped some of the guy lines around the poles just to make it a bit more stronger. Yeah. Such a beast of a tent, man, I love it. Hopefully we get a sunset, that'd be nice. Fingers crossed. Right. What time is it? It's 7:30. I think I'm gonna get a hot drink on and then probably start to cook up some tea, I think. Pretty hungry. I know I'm about to make a hot drink, but looking forward to that. Yes. That's good. Straight on. Ooh, that's much better. I'm trying to use up my gas. I've got so many canisters at home that are all sort of half full, quarter full, so brought a couple with me tonight to try and use them up. Burgers tonight. Very excited for these. It's much better. Let's do these burgers. I'm hungry. That on there.
double them up. So I'll have 2 burgers. Bit of ketchup. How about it? Not bad. A little camp meal. Oh yeah. Oh. Burgers are so good, man. Straight into number 2. Oh. Oh, that was amazing. Swap jackets, I think. Oh, yeah, that's better. It's pretty cold, I have to say. Right, I'm going to clear this stuff up. And then probably start setting my bed up and stuff, I think. For those wondering what I used to cook with on this trip, MSR do this fantastic little cook set. Comes with like a bag of utensils and little holders and a frying pan and a little plate. Not very expensive. But I highly recommend. Sleep mat that I've been using recently is the Thermarest Neo Loft. Very good pad. Really thick. I think it's got an R value of 4 point something, maybe 5. I can't remember. 4.6 or something. I can't remember. Really good pad though. Really warm. It's like a mattress. I don't mind these sacks for inflating your pads, to be honest. It only takes me sort of 5 minutes, I guess, to do it. The tip though is to blow the air from outside, like from back here, not like into the bag. You're blowing outside air in, not filling it up with your own mouth. Scrunch it up. bed's all set up. Let the sleeping bag loft up a bit. This is the Rab Alpine 600 if anyone wants to know. Personally not a fan, mainly because it leaks feathers like you've never seen. You wake up in the morning, it looks like you've wrestled with a chicken. Not even a joke. So it's quite warm, but I've had it for a few years now and I feel like it's sort of lost. It's it says it'll do -9, but honestly I don't really trust that anymore. So if you've got any sleeping bag suggestions that aren't ridiculously expensive, let me know. No sunset by the looks of it. That's okay. Wasn't really forecasted to be clear anyway. This was the backup spot. It looks pretty good to be honest, but the ground's a bit uneven, a bit lumpy. It's quite good shelter. It's usually kind of box, which is not bad. I'll have to come here again and try it. Get in the tent, I think. It's pretty damn cold actually. You know, I nearly didn't bring my hat and my gloves, but glad I did. I think I'm gonna make another hot drink and then maybe try and find a film to watch. Gas is all but done with, so that's good. At least I got my burgers cooked. For some reason these MSR cans, I don't know if anyone else has experienced this, but when you screw on your burn, it just spits everywhere. Don't get it. Weird. To be honest, I actually thought the weather was going to be a bit worse. Maybe it's coming in the night, but I've not had any rain since it pitched up, so I'm just checking the weather now, and it's supposed to be raining now. Get a bit of light in here, shall we? Getting dark. There we go. Nice. I'd just like to say as well, thank you to everyone who stopped by my previous video. It means a lot, all the nice comments everyone put. Really means a lot. I hope to make more videos. I'm not really good at keeping to a schedule, but I'll try and upload things as fast as I can. But this is my first time doing any kind of commentary. I'm a bit of a shy person, so this is way out of my comfort zone, doing any kind of talking to camera. I'm normally behind the camera, so yeah, let me know what you think of these commentary style videos, or if you prefer the more silent hiking, camping kind of thing. Maybe I'll end up doing a mix of both, we'll see. But yeah, thank you for your love and support, it means a lot, it really does. Wind is picking up a bit, I think. Glad I brought my earbuds for my sleeping, because I famously never sleep well on these camping trips, ever. I don't think I've once had a decent night's sleep. Right, I think I've got my film to watch, got my snack and my hot chocolate, so I think I'm going to get into bed, watch a film, and then probably turn in for the night.
Don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty blowy outside. I think I actually did get some sleep though, which is very unusual. Some pretty heavy rain in the night, strong winds. I actually lost my earbuds. I got them out, but I don't know where I've put them. Never mind. Anyway, it's about 10 to 7, so I'm gonna put a coffee on, I think, and then slowly pack away. Fog rolling in. One thing I do miss over the Durston, comparing it to this Nortent. The Durston just has so much living space. I've got the 2-man one, and the headroom. Like, yeah, but I don't think it would have handled the winds last night. I wouldn't have liked to have risked it anyway. I'm glad I got this tent. Okay, time to start packing up, I think, because this rain's not going anywhere.
So I think I'm going to leave this video here because I've got no way of keeping my camera dry, so I can't record my teardown for you. So yeah, I'm going to call it here. Thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate all the love and support, so if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And let me know your comments on what you think of the format for this video. As I said, I never do commentaries, so this is all a bit unnatural for me, so yeah, let me know your thoughts on what you think's best going forward, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.